I almost skipped Golpo AI, not because it looked bad, but because I thought whiteboard animation was becoming outdated. Everyone is talking about AI avatars, cinematic videos, and realistic AI influencers. So I kept asking myself, who still watches whiteboard animation videos? Then I looked at YouTube. Business explainers, finance channels, educational creators, training videos, millions of views. That's when I realized something. People aren't watching because of the animation, they're watching because the information is easy to understand. So I decided to test Golpo AI. I gave it a simple script explaining an AI tool. Normally, I'd have to find illustrations, animate every scene, record a voiceover, and spend hours editing. Golpo AI did most of that automatically. Honestly, that impressed me. Then I tried something harder. A business presentation, a client explainer, a YouTube tutorial. The animations weren't Hollywood level, but they didn't need to be. Everything stayed clean, simple, and easy to follow. And for whiteboard videos, that's exactly what matters. Now, here's what nobody tells you. Golpo AI doesn't make your content better. It makes your production faster. There's a huge difference. I tested 2 videos, same animations, different scripts. The stronger script kept people watching longer, the weaker one felt boring. The AI wasn't the difference, the storytelling was. That's the biggest mistake I think people make. They expect AI to replace creativity. It doesn't. It removes repetitive work so you can focus on your ideas. After using Golpo AI, I think I know exactly who should use it. Teachers, YouTubers, freelancers, marketing agencies, startup founders explaining products, business owners creating training videos. If explaining ideas clearly is your job, this tool can save you hours every single week. So, is Golpo AI the best AI for whiteboard animation videos? It's definitely one of the easiest platforms I've tested. Not because it creates magical animations, because it removes almost all of the technical work. And honestly, that's what most creators actually need. Less time editing, more time teaching, selling, and creating. For me, that's what makes Golpo AI worth paying attention to. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one.